What's up, everybody? Welcome back. We're out here at the ranch doing a little prescribed fire, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about burning your woods, burning your leaves. Got a snag right here, you gotta bust out. It's burning okay, a little patchy burn. Our leaves aren't 100% dry, and but we're getting a pretty decent burn, better than what we've had. We've been trying to burn for the last couple of weeks, and it's just been so wet. Today we decided to try this little area. It's got a bunch of leaves underneath this patch of timber. 10 to 12 mile an hour wind, and around here it's real flat, and we like a lot of wind for our area. Now some places you might need less wind if it's real hilly or something, because fire like creates its own wind, but right here it's flat and we need a lot of wind to push that fire through there. And we're doing a head fire right now to preheat the leaves, then they'll catch and burn a little better. Straight east wind today has been pretty consistent for us, burning pretty good. We like it. Hopefully the turkeys come in here and find it and get in here and start scratching, eating bugs. One of the best things you can do is prescribe fire for your property. Burn off the leaves, burn off the old grass, and restart that growth. Kind of like hitting a reset button on your property, and it's what you want. You want the early succession growth. It's what the birds like. And if you manage for turkeys and quail, the deer will thrive. A deer can survive in anything that you see them living in town, but a turkey, they're pretty picky, and turkey can live, then a deer will thrive. So what we're doing right here, burning. We got another spot. It's got a lot more grass, and we know it's going to burn a lot faster. And the humidity is supposed to start dropping later today. Right now it's about 35, and it's supposed to drop down to 28. Usually below 30, it can get a little dangerous, but we feel confident with all the rain we've had, and all the little roads and trails are greened up for our fire breaks, so we don't have a problem with the fire jumping. So just be safe out there. Yeah, try it on your property. Make sure you know what you're doing. Read up on it. If you need help, ask for help. There's plenty of good forestry people out there that can assist you. Have a radio so you can talk, communicate with your friends or whoever's helping you with the burn. Have some shovels, some rakes, some water on hand. We got the sprayer on the tractor just in case we need a little water. Got to have your good ignition sources. We have little propane torches. We really need drip torches, but we just didn't have any on hand, so that's what we got going. Stay tuned. This is burning off a bunch of ticks and chiggers for your deer, make them healthier. And so when you walk through here, you don't get so many on you. I forgot to spray down with off, and I guarantee you I get some on me. Look at her burn. On a fire, you got a backing fire and you got a head fire. Both sides. This side will creep slowly back, and this side's gonna preheat itself and keep burning hotter. This side's just gonna slowly creep until it burns out or hits your fire break. We got probably 10-foot flame, 12-foot flames in there. You see that?
Yeah.
Way back up in there?
Yeah, I see that.
Burn off all that brush. Dead branches. Heck yeah. Burning good. Look at it. Burning all them briars and that dead locust tree right there. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to day 2 of the burn, and we're on a new spot. This is all pretty much blue stem grass and cedars, and we're gonna try to burn this lot, control these cedars, and yeah, we probably should get in here and fall these trees and then burn, but today's a pretty good day to burn, and we want to get this grass, kind of burn it back and restart the growth. And if some cedars burn, which I'm sure they will, it's a bonus. And then we'll come in here and start cleaning up the cedar trees probably the following year, and then get ready for another burn. But today, right now, we're cleaning up around these pines. There's a bunch of big pine trees in here that we want to save, just scattered out throughout this field, and we're cleaning up around the branches on them, and just so they don't burn up and kill them. And yeah, getting the cedar trees away from the pines so they don't catch the pine trees on fire. It's about 65 degrees, 35% humidity. We got an 8 mile an hour wind straight from the south. Should be a great day to burn. We're gonna start back here. We got a road back here for a fire break, and then it's green all the way around. So we know our fires are gonna jump, but we're gonna back burn pretty good ways right here, and then maybe do some walk in about 20 yards and then do head fire straight into the where it's black from the back burn. And we're just gonna do that through this whole field. Should burn really quick. Little blue stem and big blue stem grass throughout here. It's gonna burn nicely. So, ready to restart the growth. Do a little habitat management out here for the turkeys, the deer, and maybe one day we'll have some quail running around. You never know. So, stay tuned. Let's get this stuff cleared up and then light it on fire. Light it up. We're gonna get a good black line along this edge and down this edge. It's gonna burn fast. So what we're doing, we got a wind coming this way. So you can see the smoke. We're gonna burn down this line and down this side, get a good black line. And so she don't jump across this. We got a road, so it's not gonna go across it, and it's pretty green right here. So we feel confident. We got water if we need it. I'm gonna maintain this edge just so it doesn't jump. Smoky! Woo, smoky down here. I like it. These cedar trees, they catch on fire and they go. There's one up there about to catch. And you see it starting to smoke pretty good. I got one right here about to catch. Burning good. We got probably about a 10-yard black line so far. We're gonna wait till we get about a good 40 or 50-yard back black line in here, and then we'll start doing some head fires inside there. Right now it's doing pretty good. We got a wet line on this edge with this water sprayer. This little sprayer tank right here works wonders just to kind of keep everything under control. We like it. Burning good. This little blue stem, dead grass, burning good in about 2 weeks or so. You'll start seeing green shoots come up, and it's gonna be lush. Man, end of summer, everything's gonna love it. So burning is a great tool to use on your property. Just make sure you be safe doing it, know what you're doing, ask for help if you need it. Always have somebody help you. Have your radios, your water, shovels, rakes, whatever, all your equipment dialed in, and make sure you prep before you burn. Prepping is key to when you're doing a good fire, and just got to be safe doing it. Be very helpful on your property. The animals will love it. So I'm gonna get back at it, watch this line, and keep on burning. But we just finished burning, and as you can see, it looks totally different. All that blue stem grass is burned up. Here in a few weeks, it's gonna pop up real green, and we're gonna see what comes up. Last year we burned in March, and little blue stem, some partridge pea, and a bunch of other stuff come back. But if you burn different times of the year, different stuff will come up. So I'm curious to see what's gonna come up this burn. I would say this is a very successful burn today, and as you can see, everything behind me is black. Looks good. Bunch of little trees and shrub brush through here, and a bunch of cedars. And the cedars are next on the list to take out. We're probably gonna cut them, and then once it grows back up next year, maybe we'll follow up with another burn, or the following year. There's 4 little sections on this field, and we want to burn one section every year, and just have a little rotation pattern. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed the burn, and try it on your own farm, but be safe. Make sure you know what you're doing, get some help, and all that good stuff. So we'll catch you on the next one.